follow accessor, our product is called the Additional Disinfection Device for Door Handle. My name is Inchi Li, and my team member is Chinray Li. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, people have begun to wear masks and often wash their hands to reduce the spread of virus. But the door handles that we often touch every day is a place that is easy to accumulate virus but easy to be ignored. When we sneeze or cough, then we touch the door handle. We will make the door handle so dirty. We searched for previous disinfection device of door handles, but they all needed to change the structure of door. So now we have 2 pain points. Firstly, is the dirty door handle. Secondly, the previous disinfection device all need to change the structure of door. Therefore, our invention wants to disinfect our hands and the door handle at the same time, and we don't need to change the structure of door. The additional disinfection device for door handle include number 1, door handle cover, number 2, soft material, and number 3, disinfectant supplement bottle. The door handle cover has 2 sides of hose. This one is a big hose and this one is a small hose. The choice depends on the evaporation rate of disinfectant. When a user twists the door handle, the disinfectant will come out through the hose. The soft material can absorb disinfectant and can put inside the door handle cover too. The disinfectant supplement bottle includes a bottle and a tube. The bottle can storage the disinfectant and the tube can deliver disinfectant. When the bottle combines the tube, it looks like this. Let's watch a video of the use demonstration.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my stand and go out of this world and ride on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, you're reading me. Sending my coordinates. Mission control, am I drifting? Tell me to someone who will love me. Wait, I think I'll last a bit longer. Fine. Another reason to breathe this air. Now we made for ourselves. This won't be the last time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control.